When is it time to get an eBay store subscription? Many people are going to tell you, many things that you see on social media are going to say it depends on how many items you're listing and how many items that you currently have for sale. And I'm not going to disagree with this. We'll get into that in a second, but there's also many other reasons, such as a storefront and such as tools and analytics, that you will only get if you are a store. And these tools and these analytics are proven to increase your business. I will link a video up above on tools and analytics, a presentation that I did for eBay Open. All of the, not all, but most of the tools and analytics that I use on a regular basis, that you can really see how they can help in your reselling business and things that you can use. But let's look at it from a store perspective. So if you buy a store, you can have coupons, you can have newsletters, you can have a storefront. These things are proven to increase your traffic. If you can increase your repeat buyers by just 5%, there's research that shows this can increase your profit margins by up to 75%. That is huge. And having a store, I'm going to show you the features in a minute, so don't worry, but having a store gives you some of these features to make it easier to gain repeat buyers. The other thing it's going to do is give you a storefront, which 53% of US consumers prefer online shopping with small businesses because they feel they can receive superior customer service. 76%, friends, of respondents planned to purchase the same or more from small businesses this year. eBay is giving you the tools to make yourself a small business within their platform. So let's get into this, what the storefront looks at, and then we'll go into the different store plans and how to decide which one is right for you. This is the plans. I guess we're going to look at that first. Let's go to the storefront first, because I think that's really what's most exciting. So here is a storefront. If you have a store, you have access to create a storefront, and it's going to set you apart from just being an eBay seller, from just being a seller on e-commerce. You can put your logo up here, you can put your name, your pictures. It's going to have all of this. It's going to come up like a store. You can have featured categories to where it's an easier experience for people to buy. Again, we're talking repeat customers here, friends. If you can get them to your store and make it easier for them to buy within your store, they're not just searching on eBay now, they are now supporting a small business. And let me go up one other thing. You can do an about. This is them saying, hey, I want to shop with Sarah Styles LLC because she is a mom of 3 neurodiverse children. I really believe in this and I want to support this small business. You can also do a video, which I have not done yet, but coming down here, it tells you your shipping, your returns, your store policies as well. Having the storefront allows you to get that 75% increase in getting repeat customers. It also allows you to get that support. People want to support. It's growing and increasing. People really want to support small businesses, and having a store in eBay is allowing you to showcase that you are a small business, but it's also giving you their millions of buyers, the access to the millions of buyers, so you're not having to create your own Shopify or your own business. It allows you to have featured items, you can have a sale going, you can have all of your items. It really gives you this storefront. So if you're in eBay and you have a store, I have a video on this, but you can go to store and you can see all of these different things that you get as a store. You can create this storefront, and here you go. I have 7 of the 8. I still need to do a video, but they give you a store name, a store logo. It gives you a billboard, a description, featured listing, features category, a marketing banner, a store video, the about, to where you can really showcase that you are a small business, what your passion is. And you can see here, adding a video, it's a 33% more conversion. For each of these features that they give you this stat. You can only see this one because it's the only one I haven't done, but some of them were upwards of like a 50% bigger conversion in having a storefront. eBay knows this, and they're now giving us the tools to do it. You can also send out newsletters. You can send out coupons, all things that you cannot do if you do not have a store. Sending out newsletters, sending out coupons, doing these things over the course of the last couple months since they have created these features for stores, I've increased my repeat buyers 300%. This now means I am spending less time trying to get new customers in, and they're going directly to my store. And research shows repeat buyers are more willing to pay more money because they already like you and they appreciate and they want to support you as a small business. So now let's get into figuring out what store that you want, because it is going to depend on the listings. And I think, but even if you have, you're only, you're a smaller seller and you're really trying to get it, the store is absolutely worth it for the features. Some of the other things that you get as well, and then we'll look at the subscriptions, because it really tells you, it allows you the tools to run a sale and offer coupons. You don't get this if you are just selling on eBay without the store. It also allows you to do promoted listings. I will link a video. I'm actually going to link the eBay tutorial playlist up above. No, that's a lie. I will link that at the end. I will link a video up above on how to run a sale, and then I will also after that link a video up above on how to do promoted listings. These are two things that are going to set you apart from just anyone who's selling on the platform. Promoted listings puts your listing not only at the top of search, not only at the top of search on Google search. I almost said Google Sheets because I'm so used to being in spreadsheets. But it's not only going to put you at the top on those things, it is going to put you in upward of 30 different places within the eBay platform. If you are an eBay shopper and you were looking for something, you click on something and you see at the bottom other items you might like. Right? Those items that are coming up are items that have been promoted, and you can only do that if you have an eBay store. So many different places that it is putting your items so that you have better access to sell. Friends, you can tell I'm passionate because I really think even if you are more of a casual seller, having the tools and analytics, that's the other thing. The analytics that they give you as a store is 100% worth it alone. I will link a video up here on how to look at your eBay analytics because there is a lot, but being able to make strategic decisions about your business allows you to make more money. It's not based off of listings if you should get a store. It's based off of these features, friends. Listings, yes. How many items you have, yes. That is what storefront you should get. But these are the things that are going to help you make money reselling on the platform. You're also going to get unlimited, you're going to get a discount on fees. You also get a free shipping supply. So if you're like, I don't want to spend the money, you're getting free shipping supplies out of it. And I will link a video up here on how to find your eBay shipping supplies. If you do have a store and you're like, I can never figure out how to do it, I will also say to definitely make sure to bookmark that, because it's every quarter you get free shipping supplies. And so then every quarter you're trying to figure out how it is. Either bookmark it in your sheets or bookmark my video so that you can come back and watch it. So now that I have convinced you to buy a store, it's absolutely worth it for these features. If you scroll up, and this article I do have linked down below so you guys have direct access to it. But if you scroll up, it's going to tell you and help you decide what store that you want. And what I really kind of like up here, if you scroll all the way up, this is where it's going to help you decide which store that you want. How many items do you have each month? And then what kind of seller are you? And the reason that they're asking this, and you can see I think I clicked like 500 and then I'm like a medium type seller. But if you click on this, it has all of the different stores that you can have. I like to scroll down here to look at it kind of comprehensive together. The basic starter store, and I will say the starter store is not going to give you a lot of the features that I told you. You have to go up to the basic to get those. So if you're kind of just like starting out and you want to see how it is a little bit, you can start with the starter store. That's $250 a month. But going up to 1,000, even if you don't have 1,000 items, friends, it is going to give you, you're gonna make this $21 a month back. That's probably one sale for each one of you. And being able to have a storefront and run coupons and have newsletters and do promoted listings, you're going to make that money back simply from having those tools and analytics. It's going to give you a free, everyone actually has a subscription to Terapeak now. This needs to be changed. And then you're gonna get $25 in shipping supplies. This is every quarter, so that doesn't offset it as well, but you will make one more sale a month having a store subscription and having those $25. So this is where you're going to decide how many items you have for sale, what store you want. And the one thing that's also going to set it apart is once you get up to this $300 anchor store a month, that's 25,000 items, you are going to get a dedicated customer support. If you feel like you really needed that dedicated customer support, that may be worth it to the $300, even if you don't have that many items. I hope that I have convinced you to get a store. Obviously, I'm very passionate about it because of the things that it gives you on the back end. If you want to learn how to use all these tools and analytics, I will link a playlist up here on eBay tutorial playlist. And YouTube thinks you'd probably like this video. And then make sure to subscribe to see how to make money reselling on Poshmark and eBay.